Buddy, the mascot dog, trots off to the local park, ready for a fun-filled day of piecing together a giant jigsaw puzzle designed with bright lemon yellow accents. As he joins his friends, a magpie named Max and a playful pup called Daisy, they discover pieces scattered across the grass. Buddy encourages them with a lively tongue twister. Lemon yellow jigsaws jubilantly join, boosting their spirits. Together, they giggle and work tirelessly, uncovering the joy of collaboration and the importance of persistence in overcoming challenges. As the sun sets, the last piece clicks into place, revealing a beautiful picture that gleams in lemon yellow hues, leaving them all beaming with a sense of accomplishment and strong camaraderie.